Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rona. In this video, we are doing some speed cleaning and getting it all done after Father's Day weekend. It pretty much looks like we had a really crazy party over here. It was just time to do some cleaning and straightening up of a few rooms. So if this is something you need to do or you just need some cleaning motivation, you're in the right place. I am super excited to announce that this video is a collaboration with my friend Tina. Her YouTube channel name is Call Me Tina, and she is a young stay-at-home wife and mommy of two and does cleaning, cooking, and mommy vlog and lifestyle videos. I love her channel, and one thing I really love about her is how easygoing she is. I know you will love her too, so I strongly encourage you to go check out her channel after this video, and when you do, please show her some love and let her know that Rona sent you. If you're coming from Tina's page, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and let me know in the comments so I can make sure to greet you there as well. I am also a stay-at-home wife and mom of 4 girls. I typically post cleaning, decluttering, and occasional decor videos and love to have fun while cleaning and even on these videos. I typically do skits and even put real-life bloopers at the end of my videos for laughs, so it's all fun over here. I hope all the fathers had a wonderful Father's Day this past weekend. We really did. My daughters made pictures, danced to Michael Jackson songs, and did animated tributes for him and everything, so he loved it all. We also watched movies as well, which is why it looks so destroyed here. We just did so much over the past weekend. Let me know in the comments, what did you all do this past Father's Day weekend? I wanted to get through with all of this within about an hour because I just had so many other things to do. I had some help from my daughters, so that helped me stay very close to my goal.
Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slam to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Be over now. Is this over? Now. Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall.
My daughters have specific jobs with pretty much every task that goes on here. My oldest washes dishes, my second oldest rinses them and puts them up, my 2 youngest daughters dry the dishes. One has trash duty, one wipes surfaces, and the other sweep. It's a pretty fair system and really works well for them. Now sometimes when I cook food, just to help out, I'll go ahead and wash the dishes and sometimes even rinse, dry, and put them up. It just really kind of depends. We all just kind of help each other here, and that's something I really am appreciative of.
Lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's all, no, it's right.
The funny thing was, in some of the rooms, I actually had cleaned up this past Friday, so they weren't as hard to get straightened. But in some of the rooms you will see, I had not straightened them in some time, so it took me a little longer to clean them. Now here my oldest daughter is actually washing the dishes, but she washes a little slowly, and I was trying to really be done by a certain time, so we made a deal that we would just switch places. So that's what you're seeing here. So I went on and switched and started washing, and then just allowed her to rinse, you know, just to get it done. And as we're rinsing, we're just having a conversation and just kind of, you know, spending time together. So it was real cool.
So I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. Yeah, we did our best until the
So now this is one of the rooms where it was taking me a little bit longer to actually get it together, because it had just been out of commission for like a week. It just seemed like I was working out, I was doing my hair, I was just building shelves and doing all kinds of things with other projects. And so, I even did the girls' hair this weekend and had a whole bunch of beads and all kinds of stuff left over. So it was just a lot going on. So that's what you're kind of seeing here. One of the things I really like to do when I am cleaning is watch other cleaning videos. I get motivated by those, and it just helps me to really get the work done. So that's what I was doing there. And here I'm using a microfiber cloth to clean my windows so that it can really hold down on dust. At this point, my two youngest daughters were in the living room and they were just, I don't know, playing, dancing to Michael Jackson stuff. I mean, we love Michael Jackson and Selena here at this house. And this was our last room to get cleaned. It was really cool because I was able to show the girls that it took less than 5 minutes to get this room together. And I said, this is what it would be like if you all just really clean up after yourselves. And so now everything is back in place. I really hope that you got the motivation that you needed from this video. Once again, thank you for everyone who is tuning into this video. And if you're from Call Me Tina, again, it's great to meet you. I hope you all consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Don't forget to stop by Call Me Tina's YouTube channel and show her some love, and make sure you tell her I sent you. All right, stay tuned for the bloopers at the end. See you next time. Bye-bye. I have some things that